Have you ever walked into an IKEA store and wondered, how do they have all this stuff, and it's always available? From sofas and beds to small spoons and fake plants, it's all there, every time. That's not luck. That's one of the smartest supply chain systems in the world. Welcome to Decode the Chain, where we break down how top companies run their supply chains like clockwork. Today, we're decoding IKEA, a brand that turned furniture logistics into a science. Before jumping to its decoding, let us first know the IKEA story. IKEA was founded in 1943 by a 17-year-old boy named Ingvar Kamprad in Sweden. What started as a small mail-order business is now one of the biggest furniture retailers on the planet. Today, IKEA runs over 445 stores in 60-plus countries, offering more than 9,500 products. Its success isn't just about flat-pack furniture or affordable prices, it's about how they move products around the world. Let's now see the supply chain challenge. Here's the challenge IKEA faces every single day. Customers want low prices and instant availability. Products are big, bulky, and take up space. Raw materials come from multiple continents. Demand changes from country to country. So, how does IKEA make sure a table designed in Sweden, made in Poland, and sold in India shows up on time and in budget? That's where their legendary supply chain strategy comes in. Now let's talk about IKEA's smart strategy. Let's break down the 4 key strategies IKEA uses. 1. Flat pack design. Ever noticed how IKEA furniture comes in boxes? That's not just for fun. Flat pack design means products take up less space, both in trucks and in warehouses. For example, IKEA redesigned one of their chairs to stack flat, and instantly saved millions in shipping costs per year. One small design change equals huge supply chain win. 2. Regional distribution centers. IKEA has over 30 massive distribution centers around the world. Instead of shipping items from factories directly to stores, everything first goes to these regional hubs. Think of them like super efficient airports, but for furniture. From there, products go to stores based on local demand forecasts. 3. Just-in-time inventory. IKEA doesn't keep a lot of extra stock lying around. They use a method called just-in-time, only sending products to stores when they're actually needed. This reduces storage costs and avoids dead stock sitting on shelves. Imagine a popular desk suddenly trending on TikTok in Canada. IKEA's system can react and restock that region quickly, without overloading other stores. 4. Demand forecasting with data. Every time a customer buys something, IKEA is collecting data. They analyze shopping trends, seasonal spikes, even social media buzz. This helps them predict what will sell, where, and when. For instance, during winter, Scandinavian stores stock more rugs and cozy items, while tropical countries may push outdoor furniture. Let's take a real example. The Billy Bookcase. Let's talk about one of IKEA's best-selling products, the Billy Bookcase. Since 1979, IKEA has sold over 60 million Billy bookcases. To handle such massive demand, IKEA produces it in multiple factories globally, uses standard materials to reduce costs, ships it flat-packed, so it fits in a car or truck easily, and always keeps a minimum safety stock level in every store. This ensures that even if demand spikes, Billy is always on the shelf. Let US know its environment and cost advantage. IKEA's supply chain isn't just smart, it's sustainable. By shipping products in flat boxes and optimizing delivery routes, they cut down on fuel use and carbon dioxide emissions. They also invest in rail transport and electric trucks in Europe. Result? Inventory costs down by 15%, in-stock rate at 98%, carbon dioxide emissions per product reduced significantly. What we can learn from IKEA. So, what are the lessons for businesses and future supply chain professionals? Checkmark design for logistics. Smart product design equals lower cost. Checkmark use data. Track what customers want and plan accordingly. Checkmark build regional hubs. Be close to the customer. Checkmark stay lean. Avoid too much inventory. Whether you're running a small e-commerce brand or working in operations, these principles are gold. That's IKEA, decoded. From Swedish innovation to global domination, all powered by smart logistics and data. Like this breakdown? Then hit that subscribe button, and join us every week as we decode the supply chains behind the biggest brands. Next episode. How Amazon delivers to 310 million customers every day. Thanks for watching Decode the Chain. See you soon.